Hey, how you doing? This is Tonya Whatley at Fit Bodies Unlimited. I'm going to be demonstrating today dumbbell RDLs, or commonly known as Romanian deadlifts. We're going to be using dumbbells. I'm going to show you at the gym version and then a variation if you're at home, okay? All right, so we're going to be focusing on our hamstrings and our glutes. So I like the dumbbells opposed to the barbell. A lot of people will use a barbell for a Romanian deadlift or an RDL. Um, with the with the dumbbells, you can kind of angle it a little bit to the side. It's a really good motion, and you can get a little more focus. I'll show you. Okay, so you can use whatever weight you like. I think I have like 35s, but you can use 20s. If you're going large, go 50, okay? All right, so now I'm going to just bend to pick up the weight, but this exercise is with straight legs, but they're not locked, so you're going to have soft knees, okay? It's a hip hinge movement. It's not a squat like a deadlift, okay? So, pick up the weight. All right. So the weights are going to kind of stay a little bit to the side, not completely and not all the way in front. A little bit angled to the side. Soften your knees. Now, I'm not going straight down. Remember, it's a hip hinge. Think of somebody chopping you in half at the hips. You're going to send back. Back's nice and flat. No arch, core's tight. Now you're going to roll down, keep the weights close to your body. You're going to go just below your knees, about mid-shin. Then you're going to come up. You're going to squeeze at the top. Soft knees, not locked, but not bent. Push your hips back. Roll down, about mid-shin. Come up. Now, key that would help really get you firing is kind of slow down. Go slow down, and then kind of pop it up. Do a couple more. Hip hinge. Up. Be sure to push your hips back. Abs, core tight. Down. Up. Now, I'm going to show you a variation for at home if you're not at the gym. And if you're at home and you have weights, you could obviously do this at home too. But if you have a broomstick, any kind of dowel, you can use. Now, obviously, this won't be dumbbell. This will be more like a straight bar Romanian deadlift that you might see at the gym. But it works great. So this is let's say my broomstick. All right? So same thing. You're about hip width apart. Okay? Hip hinge. Abs, core tight. We're going down. I'm sending it back. You're going to feel a good stretch in your hamstring through your glute, and then you're going to come up. Same thing, hinge down, up. Okay, one more time. I'm going to go down, send the hips back, and up. And there you have it. That is a dumbbell RDL. Be sure to stay tuned for more videos like this at Fit Bodies Unlimited. Thank you.